Hello and welcome, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's begin with today's class. In earlier classes, we have already studied about the climatic zone. Now, in today's class, we are going to study about the continents and oceans. If you observe the globe, you will see that the earth is divided into the land and water, right? So, continent is a part of land and oceans is a part of water or amount of water on our earth. The large land masses are called continents and the large areas covered with water are called oceans. So in this picture you can see that the land masses, right, the large land, which is a very huge piece, and the large areas of water, this thing is called as continent, and the large part of a ocean or water is called as oceans, right? So a area where there is a huge amount of water is called as ocean, and an area on the earth where there is a huge piece of land is called as continent, right? So continent basically is a mainland, or you can tell that any of the world's main continuous expansion of land, right? You can see here this land is divided with this land, but there is a very huge part of water in this, right? A land which is very large and mainland, right, and it is mostly covered with water, and the other land which is divided by ocean, right, this is called as continent. So basically we have 7 continents and 5 oceans. You can see the water part is called as oceans, right? There are different oceans according to the places, right, different lands, right? So the large land masses are called as continents, and the large area covered with water are called as oceans. So over here you can see this picture, and this is an outline map of the world. So what you have to do here is one activity, that on a physical map of the world, mark the continents and oceans of the world. So what you have to do over here is mark the continents and the oceans over here. So if you're having a map, you can use that map and write down the continents and the oceans. And if you're having the textbook, well and good, you can write it in your textbook itself. So I'm going to tell you about the continents right now, that which continent is which, right? So you can write along with me. I'm going to keep the arrow over here at the continent. You can write down the name of the continent, okay? So the color purple color land you can see is North America. You have to write it down. If you have the map, write it in your map. If you have a textbook, you can write it in your textbook, okay? So the purple color land over here is the North America. The light green part is South America. The light green part is South America. Here the orange part is Europe. Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe. Then over here the yellow color part is Asia. Asia. A-S-I-A. Asia. Then this is Africa. Africa. A-F-R-I-C-A. Africa. And this brown color is Australia. Australia. A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. Australia. Australia, Australia. Then over here the dark green part is Africa, and the seventh one is not over here. The seventh continent is Antarctica, which is not given to us over here, so there is no need to write it. Okay, so now we'll go to the oceans, right? We have to mark oceans. Over here you can write Pacific Ocean. This whole area is Pacific Ocean. Anywhere over here you can write, right? From here to here you can write anywhere in between these. From here to here, write down Pacific Ocean. PACIFIC, Pacific Ocean. Then over here you have to write down Indian Ocean. Write down Indian Ocean. So we are done with the two oceans. The one is Pacific and the other which we wrote over here is Indian. Now over here in between this, between the South America and Africa, you have to write down Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Write down Atlantic Ocean. ATLANTIC. 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 Atlantic Ocean. Now over here you have to write Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. SOUTHERN. Southern Ocean. 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 Southern Ocean. So we wrote four oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Now you have to write it over here. That is, here write down Arctic Ocean. Write down Arctic Ocean. This is Arctic Ocean. ARCTIC. Arctic Ocean. ARCTIC. Arctic Ocean. So we have already done with this activity. We'll continue the chapter in the next class.